Across the world, Kiss Cam at stadiums is a wonderful platform for couples to express their love. With millions of fans enjoying the matches, in large groups, at home, at bars, and at huge live screens, physical proximity is at its peak. And when moments of ecstasy happen on field, we all turn around with joy to kiss that special someone next to us. Closeup stands for intense freshness that brings people closer. 2018 saw the FIFA World Cup, and Vietnam saw more than 26 million youngsters enjoying football moments in large groups. Closeup decided to leverage this opportunity and bring the Kiss Cam to the Vietnamese. Introducing Closeup Kiss Trigger, a first-of-its-kind innovation using TV to mobile sync technology. The challenge with TV viewing is ads can be served only during the break, and not during key moments. Also, inventory being limited in live game means expensive ads. Research shows that 79% adult internet users in Vietnam use mobile devices simultaneously while watching TV. Also, 48% are on social media, chatting and sharing while watching sports content. Drawing insight from this multi-screen behavior, we identified and targeted match situations where the young at heart would be tempted to, kiss. We tagged live TV FIFA World Cup content to trigger close-up message during these moments, in real time, inciting consumers to celebrate with a kiss. How? This was done with a unique TV-to-mobile fingerprinting technology in partnership with Silverpush, monitored for specific cues like goals, free kicks, during live matches. As youngsters turned to their mobile screens to discuss and share these match moments, they were exposed to the close-up messages. Closeup owned these moments of physical proximity by closing the gap between TV and mobile. Over 43 million impressions delivered. Closeup sales grew by 26% during the World Cup push. Brand ever used touched an all-time high at 82%. Closeup brand conviction also reached an all-time high and displaced the erstwhile number 2 brand on brand equity after 20+ years. More than anything else, Closeup Trigger created countless moments of physical closeness. What we didn't count? Those kisses.